Hey, guys, welcome back to Consultant Mindset. I hope you guys are doing great. Everyone faces ups and downs once in a while in their life. Sometimes there are good moments in life and sometimes there are unhappy moments. But we get through all those moments regardless of any kind of hardships and difficulties. Everyone has a turning point in their lives. And I'm sure you guys must have that turning point in your lives as well. Well, you can tell me about your experiences and hardships. What was the one thing that changed your life upside down? Let me know in the comments section. Before that, I will illustrate the series of events that changed my whole life. Let us just dive into it without wasting much time. It was about 7 years ago that I was a lean and skinny girl. I didn't weigh much at that time. I was around 25 kilograms at the age of 14 years. People used to make fun of me. They used to make a mockery out of me. They used to tease me about my weight. Always telling me to eat something like I was starving to death earlier. Asking me to walk carefully in the wind. Calling me such fun names and making me feel ridiculous was the worst thing one can do. People used to ask me questions. Hey, your parents don't feed you? Oops, you are too skinny to take part in sports. I had to bear all those words for like 5 to 6 years. I used to eat a lot so I could become fat. But it never worked out. I used to feel bad about my existence. I never felt pretty enough to stand in the crowd. I told my mother that I am struggling with this. She instantly told me not to get worried as my body's metabolism works faster than others. So you don't have to be nervous about this. I withstood all the suffering patiently. At last, when puberty hit me, I started gaining weight. And then my weight flourished by leaps and bounds. When my weight increased, I became fat. And now everyone started calling me fat. Now those people who were telling me to gain some weight are advising me to lose some weight. My life became hell. And I was devastated at this point in my life. The judgmental opinions of people became stuck in my head. I never felt pretty anymore. I became a mere toy that was controlled by the thoughts and opinions of society. As I grew up, I started realizing that letting down someone is a cultural norm of our judgmental society. Since people love to interfere in others' lives, so they keep looking down upon you. They don't let anyone live in peace. Minding one's business was never instilled in our generation. All those past experiences made me realize that whatever you do, you cannot make people happy enough. You cannot do anything to make people love you. It is useless to make people happy. No matter what you say, people only understand from the level of their perception. That's why it is necessary to put yourself first. Before anyone, you need to put yourself first. Love yourself regardless of how you look, or how you think. The only thing that matters is how are you as a person. Are you a good human being? Do you have moral values? Do you consider yourself worthy enough to be called a human? If you are a good person, then it does not matter whether you are black or white, tall or short, fat or skinny. At the end of the day, all that matters is you. Start loving yourself so you can love others. Instead of being judgmental, focus on the good attributes. Spread smiles and peace. Life is already hard on everyone, so be someone's peace. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more exciting videos.